Hey guys, how's it going? So with the new Lion King movie coming out in a couple weeks, I thought it would be cool to show you guys how to draw the actual symbol for Simba from the original movie. So, to draw this, we are going to begin with his face on there. So, starting right here on my paper, I'm just going to make a little diagonal line like this. Then underneath it, I'm going to make a little curved line like this. Then, starting right here, I'm just going to draw a line that just goes down like this. Then I'm going to add a curve, go a little bit up, a little bit more up. Then I'm going to draw a little line like this. Then I'm going to make another curved line. And I'm going to draw another little line curved down right here. Then I'm going to make a line that just kind of sweeps around here and is going to come all the way back up here. Then up here, I'm going to draw a curved line for the top of the head. Then I'm going to draw a big shape like this. It just kind of curves around for an ear. And then another big shape over here that curves around for the other ear. Then, starting here, I'm just going to draw a line that curves down for the side of the face. And then I'm going to do the same thing over here. Then I'm going to make a line that goes up for the back. And then I'm going to draw a line that comes around here and goes all the way by the head and then swings around and comes back here. Then I'm going to draw a line that goes out and then comes back up for one of the legs. Draw a little line that goes over. And then I'm going to do the same thing. Go down and then curve up for another leg. Then I'm just going to curve this line right here. Then starting here, I'm going to draw a line that goes up and then comes back down. Then I'm going to draw a leg that goes out like this, and then I'm just going to connect it right here at this line. And there you go. There is your drawing of the symbol for Simba. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.